Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we are going to show you exactly how to download application on Android using the most reliable methods available. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and log in with your Google account to the Play Store. Having a stable connection and a signed-in account is essential because it allows the store to verify your identity and deliver the app files safely to your phone. Step 2, look for the search bar at the top of the interface and type the name of the application you are looking for. This search feature is the quickest way to filter through millions of available programs to find the specific tool or game you need. Step 3, browse through the search results and select the application from the screen to open its dedicated info page. This page is important because it provides you with descriptions, user reviews, and developer details to ensure you are getting the official version. Step 4, find and tap on the install button located prominently below the app title to begin the automated setup. Once you trigger this, your Android system will handle the downloading and installation in the background, placing the icon right on your home screen. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips